First off, I'd like to say Jennifer's trying to learn how to ride the pig without having her feet on the ground.
Just one.
So, go ahead.
Leg up here. Hold on. I got a phone call. Hold on. Uh-huh. Happy birthday. It's good. Are you still doing this? Okay. Well, somebody thinks I'm getting married. They just asked my name is Brian. Anyways, here we go again. Okay, so let me stick you right in the butt. Have the little piggy squealed off?
It's Kelsey's turn now. I bet it does. Sad thing is, you got a smaller butt than I do. This is Kelsey's turn trying to do it now, by the way, y'all.
My leg's getting stuck. Oh, see, I got it.
You. Not by much.